said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
So just a quick update on some of the mods we've made on the Mitsubishi Colt CZT the past few weeks. Some noticeable ones for me are the front splitter. Whilst I have pretty much smashed it on everything that I can find to smash it on, and even on my own driveway, it just sounds like I'm going back to rip it off. At high speed, certainly top end, sort of on the motorway, it does feel more stable, which is great. With the manifold on now, it seems to develop power a lot easier, smoother. Under acceleration, you can feel that it's definitely smoother. I feel like the car's quicker. Obviously, I've got a dyno, so I can prove that at some point. But yeah, it does feel less laboured. Is that the word I'm looking for? It just feels smoother. The whole delivery of that power of the turbo as it comes on feels smoother. That's probably due to it going from a log style manifold to a 4-branch manifold where it's all going into the collector at the same point. The silicone hoses, again, my theory has always been that there's an increase in torque because the airflow coming from the filter into the turbo is smoother, it's less turbulent. The intake pipe is actually slightly oversized, so going back to the olden days of the 180 Golf stuff, the turbo intake pipe made a big difference, especially when mapping. So hopefully that this is the same science behind that. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. It does seem to perform better, it seems smoother. I'm liking the power delivery at the moment. It's time for it to be mapped. Just got to get a clutch in there, and then we'll do a video on stage 1 mapping. But yeah, just like I say, just a quick update. I'm enjoying it. It does seem to have a positive effect. The manifold going from the log style to the tubular one, and the induction hose seems to have definitely made a positive increase. So yeah, thanks.
Say it again. Life moves pretty fast.